Hello, welcome back to Skater Cat Cubing. Today we will be making some gingerbread men, but instead of having them as normal gingerbread men, we will be making them square shaped and making them so they look like Rubik's Cubes. Alright, what is our first step, Chef?
Our first step is to place the butter into the mixer, and we have to cream it until it's nice and creamy.
Okay.
So we're gonna put that there. We softened it already in the...
Looks messy.
It is very messy.
Will you raise it up?
Raise it up, and here we go.
Okay.
Amazing.
Let's check on that. That looks pretty creamy.
Pretty creamy.
Pretty creamy and
Now,
nice.
next thing I think we have to
Banana shots.
I think the next thing...
Oh, I'm sorry, Mies. You
okay.
snuck up on me. I'm so sorry.
It's alright. It's alright, Miss Girl. Okay?
Wanted that out.
You're fine.
Mies, are you okay? I'm so sorry.
Okay, the next thing is blend an egg and 1 tablespoon of water.
Okay. So we are going to blend an egg and 1 tablespoon of water.
1 single
Banana
tablespoon.
shot.
Let's do that. There's our egg.
That is a really colorful egg. And it's really, really orange.
Perfecto. The egg is in, and we need a tablespoon of water.
Tablespoon time.
This is what we have for our tablespoon.
Yes. And this is what we have for our dog.
For our assistant.
Yes.
Whoa.
Our assistant. Oh, that's it. That's a lot.
Boy.
Yeah.
And then we blend.
Blend. Blend, blend. Blend shot.
That looks pretty good.
That's pretty good.
Next is the cookie mix.
Cookie mix. Right here, we're gonna slap that. Gingerbread cookie mix. Awesome. Viewers, you can sniff it too. Once we open this, we'll stick the viewers in there so they can get a sniff.
If we can open it.
Oh, we might need some scissors. Let's call on the murderous death scissors. These cut through anything. Bless you. Oh, I mean, bless me. Thank you. Squeeze me.
Squeeze me.
Okay, now the viewers get a sniff, sniff. Cool.
Good idea.
Yeah.
Taking it over here.
And pour.
We will add it as we start to mix.
That's a lot of gingerbread mix.
A lot of mix.
It says
we can add a little bit more water, which I definitely think we should do.
Speaking of gingerbread men, do you guys like the gingerbread person from Shrek 2? Leave your answer in the comments below. I think he's funny.
Just adding a little bit of water.
Yeah, that sounds smart.
Just a tiny, tiny bit.
Maisie shot.
A few droplets.
Do you sniff the camera, Maisie? You're adorable. The camera really gets how wet her nose is.
It's looking pretty good.
Cool. Looks pretty stirred. Oh, and we're lowering
Oh, yeah.
the special treatment.
Okay.
Now we pull it out.
Now we pull this.
And if you want to make this at home, you can screenshot this recipe if you can see that well enough. You can screenshot this recipe because, yeah, if you do want to. If you don't, then you can just look at Maisie. Or you can screenshot her face and then keep it as your wallpaper for your phone or whatever.
Okay. Now, we must form this into a ball
Okay.
and put it in saran wrap,
Saran wrap.
which I don't see.
I don't think we have saran wrap.
It's okay. We will improvise.
Improvise.
It will fit in this, and we will use this.
Yeah, we don't have saran. Wait, is this saran wrap?
Wax paper.
Wax paper.
Okay.
Maisie shot.
So, just to keep everything clean, actually, let's use.
Also, ladies and gentlemen, this might be split up into a 2-part series. So, yeah, we might do that just because in case the video gets too long with the baking, we might put this as a 2-part series. So, yeah. Maisie shot.
Okay. Oh, it's very sticky.
Can I touch it?
Yeah.
Oh, you're right, that is very sticky.
Very, very
But
sticky.
it also feels like slime and very nice.
It kind of does feel like slime. It smells yummy, like delicious gingerbread.
Can't show this because of copyright. You know, just your normal everyday nutrition facts.
Oh, do you want to grab what cube we're going to be designing it after?
Oh yeah, totally. Come on, viewers. We will go on an adventure of a lifetime. Yes. I think this one looks pretty perfect, if I do say so myself. So we're gonna snag that. Let's look here, though. Just this one. No, this one's broken. That one is still a square, but not what we're looking for. So we'll use this one.
Ooh, nice. Great choice.
This is the one we'll be modeling it after.
Awesome.
The GAN 11M Pro. This cube is probably one of the fastest cube in my collection. If you want to see more facts about that, you can check out my other video on this channel. It is my collection video, and it goes through my collection of cubes so far. And yeah, I think it's pretty good. So yeah, this is just my GAN 11M Pro. Turns really nice. So yeah. Now back to the baking.
We're gonna do this.
Ooh,
We're gonna lay it here.
Okay.
We're gonna do another one on top. And that's what we're gonna do. Now, We gotta let this refrigerate for at least an hour.
All right.
We'll see you back in an hour.
We'll see you back in an hour, viewers. Well, actually, no, we won't see you back in an hour. We'll see you back at part 2 of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Part 2 will be up soon. And here's a Maisie face to say goodbye.